Why is DNA evidence making news? Why are experts calling it a game changer? Well, there's a big update in the field of criminal law in India. The new law now formally encourages the use of forensic evidence like DNA profiling in criminal trials. So let's talk about what's happening. In our lead story today, we'll discuss the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 and its impact on the use of DNA evidence in criminal cases. This is a landmark moment in Indian criminal law. The new law recognizes the importance of forensic evidence in ensuring justice. Experts are hailing this move as a step towards a more scientific and effective criminal justice system. Before we get into the details of the bill, let me share an interesting quote with you. Justice should not only be done, but must be seen to be done. These words by Sir James Stephen have deep meaning. They remind us that for justice to be meaningful, it must be based on solid proof, not just someone's say-so. It must be clear and undeniable, like the North Star in the sky. And in today's digital age, science can help us do that. That's why the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 BNSS has given special focus to forensic and DNA evidence. Now let's see why this is important. Forensic evidence like DNA profiling, fingerprint analysis, digital forensics, and ballistic reports can provide objective and reliable proof in criminal cases. Think about it. In many cases in the past, innocent people suffered because the evidence was weak or not reliable. But with scientific tools, evidence can speak for itself clearly and scientifically. The new law aims to bring about some major changes. First, let's talk about the problem. Under the old law, there were limited provisions for using forensic evidence in criminal trials. This led to delays and sometimes even misuse of such evidence. The Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita has come up with some important solutions. One of the key changes is that the BNSS has introduced reforms that make forensic science a mandatory part of the investigation process in serious crimes. What are these serious crimes? Cases of rape, murder, acid attacks, and custodial deaths. Police officers now have to follow set procedures when collecting and preserving evidence. They must record the crime scene, collect biological samples like blood or hair, and use technology to help in their investigation. But why is this important? This is important because these changes will ensure a few things. Number one, they will ensure accuracy in trials. Sometimes innocent people are put on trial because of lack of strong evidence. But with DNA evidence, we can identify the real culprits and make sure that innocent people are not implicated. Number two, it will help in preventing wrongful arrests. Imagine being accused of a crime you didn't commit. It's a nightmare. DNA testing can help prevent this by providing strong evidence to support or refute the allegations. Number three, it will protect victim rights. Victims often feel helpless and their rights are not upheld. DNA evidence can change that by providing scientific support to their claims, helping them seek justice effectively. So you see, the benefits of DNA evidence in criminal trials are many. It helps create a level playing field where justice is based on science and facts rather than assumptions or biases. Next, let's talk about how this will work in practice. The bill proposes setting up a National Forensic Science Authority. What will this authority do? It will oversee the implementation of these new rules and ensure that forensic science is used fairly and effectively. It will also work to improve the quality of forensic labs and the skills of the people working in them. Despite all these benefits, there are challenges. Many states still lack forensic labs. Also, there is often a long delay in processing DNA evidence. There is a need for more training for police and lab staff to handle forensic evidence properly. In conclusion, the BNSS 2023 is a big step towards digital and scientific justice. With forensic tools like DNA becoming legally essential, truth now has a stronger voice. Hopefully, this will reduce false cases and speed up justice delivery. Now tell me what you think. Do you think this new law will help in achieving justice more fairly and effectively? Share your thoughts in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates on legal news. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.